Welcome. So in the last video, we have discussed about the higher transition probabilities and Chapman-Kolmogorov equation. So in this video, I am going to discuss about classification of the state and chains. So for this, we have a Markov chain and its states are j equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and we classify these states first. So first let us discuss on a communication relation. Consider a Markov chain xn n greater than equal to 0 with states j such that j equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on. These states can be classified in a distinctive manner. According to some fundamental properties of the system. Some fundamental properties of the system. By means of such classification, it is possible to identify certain types of chains. Now first let us consider the communication relations. Communication relations. Let I and j are two states. Such that Pijn is greater than 0. Pij means probability that state j can be reached starting from the state I. That means starting from I, the state j can be reached after n transitions. So Pij n, this is positive. Pij n greater than 0. Then we say that the state j, if this, then j can be reached from state I. J can be reached from state I after finite number of transitions. So in this case, we say J is accessible from state I. J is accessible from state I, and we say that I to J. That means J can be accessed from state I. Now, if state J can be accessed from I. So we write I to J and I to J if Pijn this is greater than 0. That means after a finite number of transitions, the state J can be reached from state I. So that means J can be accessed from the state I. Now conversely, if Pijn, suppose this is equal to 0 for all n, then J cannot be accessed from I. That means we cannot reach state J after a finite number of transitions starting from state I. So we write I J. So J cannot be accessed. J cannot be accessed from state I. We write I not J. So here this is called as the accessibility relation. So basing upon this, suppose we have two states I and J. These two states I and J such that I can be accessed from state J and also J can be accessed from state I. That means in this case Pijn this is greater than 0 and also Pjin greater than 0. That means starting from the state I, after a finite number of transitions, we can reach state J. Similarly, starting from state J, we can reach also state I after a finite number of transitions. So in this case, we say that I and J are communicable with each other. I and J are communicable with each other. That means state J can be accessed from state I and I can be accessed from state J. Now, suppose I, J, K are three states such that the state J can be accessed from state I and K can be accessed from state J. So in this case, we have Pijn, this is greater than 0, and here also Pjk greater than 0. Similarly, if I also can be accessed from state J, so that means in this case Pji after a finite number of transitions, suppose n1, this is also greater than 0, and here also Pkj m1 this is greater than 0. So here the state j can be accessed from state k. That means I j are state I and j, they are communicable, and j k are also communicable. Then we must have I communicable to k. Then I and k will also be communicable. So in this case, the communicable relation, we can say communicable relation is an equivalence relation. Communicable relation is an equivalence relation. This can also be true for accessibility also. If j can be accessed from state I and k can be accessed from state j, then k can be accessed from state I also. Accessibility relation is also accessibility relation is also an equivalence relation. Is an equivalence relation. So consider an example. So consider a Markov chain xn n greater than equal to 0 and state space s equal to 0, 1, 2. Let the transition probability matrix P equal to, so this is 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 0. So this is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So this is 0, 1, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So this is the transition probability, and this is state 0, 1, 2, and here it is 0, 1, 2. So now we can draw a transition graph. So this is 0, 1, this is 2. So here transition from 0 to 0 is 3 by 4, P 0, 0, it is 3 by 4. So I write P 0 to 0, this is 3 by 4. Similarly 0 to 1, this is 1 by 4. Now 0 to 2 is not possible. So then 1 to 0, 1 by 4. So 1 to 0, this is 1 by 4. Then 1 to 1, this is half. Then 1 to 2, it is 1 by 4. Then 2 to 1, 3 by 4. Then 2 to 2, this is 1 by 4. Here we can see, so P, if we find this P 0 0, this is equal to 3 by 4. So that means greater than 0. So 0 is accessible from state 0. And suppose P01, P01, that is equal to 1 by 4 greater than 0. So state 1 can be reached starting from state 0 here. So state 1 can be reached starting from 0 in this way. So similarly, we can find other transition probabilities. Here we can check the accessibility here. So we can see P01, this is 1 by 4, this is greater than 0, and P10 also greater than 0. That means 0 and 1, they are communicable with each other. Similarly, 1 and 2, they are also communicable with each other. So one can reach the state 2 starting from state 0. That means 0 and 2, they are also communicable. So there is an important property that is known as the class property. So what is a class property? So a class of states, it is a subset of the state space. So class of states, this is C, it is a subset of the state space S, such that every state of a class are communicable with each other. So Ij belongs to C, that means I is communicable with J. And any state, suppose K, not in C, K cannot be accessed from the states of C. We cannot reach the state K starting from the states C. So C is a, so that means here P I K N, this is equal to 0. I belongs to C and K not belongs to C. K is any other state. So any state, this is for any state K. So let us consider an example. Consider a Markov chain Xn n greater than equal to 0 with state space S equal to 0, 1, 2. And suppose the transition probability P, that is equal to, this is 1, 0, 0, half, 0, half, then this is 0, 0, 1. If you do the transition graph, suppose this is 0, 1, and this is state 2. So starting from the state 0, P00 is probability 1. Then 0 to 1, it is not possible. Then 1 to 0, then 1 to 0 with probability half. And 1 to 2 with probability half. Then 2 to 2 with probability 1. So that means here we can check that the state 2 cannot be assessed from state 0. If we see P0 1, so this is equal to 0 because one cannot reach 1 starting from state 0. So 1 cannot be assessed from the state 0. So 0, 1 cannot be assessed starting from state 0. Similarly, 0 can be assessed from state 0. State 2 can be assessed from state 1. But 1, so here 1 cannot be assessed from state 2. We cannot reach state 1 starting from state 2. So this gives the communication relation. So here the states 0, 1, 0 is accessible from 1, 2 is accessible from 1, but 0 and 1 are not communicable. 0 and 1 are not communicable because P 0, 1, this is equal to 0. So this is all about the communication relation. So consider another property that is known as the periodicity property. Periodicity property. Suppose J is a return state. A return state. Return state means starting from state J, we can reach again state J after a finite number of transitions. That means P J N greater than 0 for some n. So state J is a return state. Now the period of the state J. Now to find the period of the state J, we have dj, that is equal to period of a return state J. Now this is equal to the greatest common divisor of the set M such that Pjjm greater than 0. Pjjm greater than 0. That means it is the smallest number of transitions. So dj, it is the smallest number of transitions that is required starting from state J to reach. So the number of transitions required to reach again the state J is a multiple of dj. So suppose dj equal to, if dj equal to 1, then the state J is called as aperiodic. Otherwise, if Dj greater than 1, then J is said to be a periodic state. Periodic state with period Dj. So, for example, consider a Markov chain Xn n greater than equal to 0, and this state space S equal to 0, 1, 2, and the transition probability matrix P equal to, this is 1, 0, 0, half, half, 0, this is 0, 0. Suppose 0, half, half. So, if we draw the transition graph, so this is state 0, this is state 1, this is state 2, 0 to 0, this is 1, and 1 to 0, this is half, then 1 to 1, this is half, then 2 to 1, this is half, and 2 to 2, this is half. Now if we verify here, P 0, 0, P 0, 0 equal to 1 greater than 0. So state 0 is aperiodic. Then for state 1, P 1, 1, P 1, 1 equal to half. So state 1 is aperiodic. So P 1, 1, 1, this is half. P 1, 1 in 2 steps. 2 steps. So 1 to 1, again 1 to 1. This is 1/4. This is greater than 0. P 1, 1, 3. So 1 to 1 in 3 steps. So then 1 to 1, again 1 to 1, again 1 to 1. So this is equal to 1/8. This is also greater than 0. So here period of state 1, that is equal to D1, that is equal to GCD of M such that P11M greater than 0. So that is equal to GCD of P11M, as we see here, P111 greater than 0, P112 greater than 0, 3 greater than 0. So this will be GCD of M value 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So GCD will be equal to 1. So state 1 is also aperiodic. So we can say state 1 is aperiodic. So 1 is also aperiodic. Now for state 2, if we see P22 also 1 by 2, this is also greater than 0. So state 2 also aperiodic. So in general, if Pii this is greater than 0, then we can say state I is aperiodic. Because Pii this is same as Pii1. So when there is 1 here, the GCD will also be 1. So Pii greater than 0 is I is aperiodic. So now we classify the states as basing upon the accessibility, that means the state J can be accessed from state I if after a finite number of transitions we can reach state J starting from state I. Then communicable relation. So here I, starting from I we can reach J, and starting from J also we can reach I. So here Pij n greater than 0 and Pji m, this is also greater than 0. Then we study periodic. Periodicity, this is dj equal to GCD of m p jjm greater than 0. This is for a return state. For a return state j. So if dj equal to 1, then it is an aperiodic. So this is the summary that we have studied in this video. So in which we have considered the classification of a state. Hope all of you have enjoyed. So if you can have any doubt, then give in the comment box. I will answer. Thank you all. Thank you.